Have dinner at the hotel. I'm so hungry. Let's eat at the hotel restaurant tonight.
Sure. What time does it open?
It opens at 6. It's 6:30 now.
Great. Let's go. Do we need a reservation?
No, Jack. Walk-ins are fine.
Okay. Let's find a table.
There's one table by the window.
Perfect. I like that spot.
Here's the menu.
Thanks. What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken looks good.
How much is it?
It's $15.
That's not bad. Does it come with a side?
Yes, rice or vegetables.
I'll pick vegetables.
Good choice. I want the same, but with rice.
What about drinks?
They have juice, soda, and water.
I'll have orange juice.
Me too.
Wait, is there a soup option?
Yes, tomato soup or chicken soup.
I'll add chicken soup.
Sounds good. I'll skip the soup.
Okay, what about dessert?
Let's decide after dinner.
Fair enough.
Excuse me, we're ready to order.
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables and chicken soup.
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, no soup.
And 2 orange juices, please.
Thank you.
How long is the wait usually?
Maybe 15 minutes.
That's fine. I'm not in a rush.
Same here?
This place looks nice.
Yes, Molly really liked it last time.
Oh, did she come here before?
Yes, with her family.
Nice. I want to try their dessert menu too.
Me too. Let's see it later.
Here comes the soup.
That smells great.
Do you want to try some?
Just a little.
Here you go.
It's really good.
I'm glad you like it.
Maybe I should have ordered soup too.
You can order it next time.
True.
The chicken smells amazing.
I can't wait to eat.
Here it is.
Finally.
Careful, it's hot.
Thanks for the warning.
How's your chicken?
It's really tender.
Mine too. This is a great choice.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. The rice is a good side.
I think the vegetables look better though.
Try some.
Sure, let's trade a little.
Deal.
The vegetables are seasoned well.
Right, I really like them.
Maybe next time I'll order vegetables too.
Good idea.
How much was the total menu price so far?
Chicken is 15. Soup is 5. Juice is 3 each.
So that's about $26 for you?
And about 18 for you.
That's reasonable for a hotel restaurant.
Yes, I expected it to be more expensive.
Same here.
Should we still get dessert?
Let's check the price first.
Excuse me, how much is the dessert?
The waiter said $6 each.
That's fine with me.
What flavors do they have?
Chocolate cake and vanilla ice cream.
I'll get the chocolate cake.
I'll get the ice cream.
Good choice. Something different.
We can share both.
I like that idea.
Let's order now before we forget.
Excuse me, 1 chocolate cake and 1 vanilla ice cream, please.
Thank you.
While we wait, how's your day been?
Pretty good. Busy, but good.
Same. This dinner is a nice break.
Definitely. I needed this.
Here comes dessert.
That was fast.
It looks delicious.
Let's split them evenly.
Good idea.
Try the ice cream.
Wow, it's really creamy.
The cake is soft too.
Can I try it?
Of course, here.
This is amazing.
I'm happy we ordered both.
Same here.
Are you full now?
Yes, very full.
Me too. That was a great meal.
Should we ask for the check?
Yes, let's split it.
Excuse me, can we get the check, please?
Thank you.
How much is it total?
It says $50.
So 25 each.
That works for me.
Let's pay with card.
Sounds good.
Do they accept card here?
Yes, the sign says they do.
Perfect.
Thank you for dinner tonight.
Thank you too, Jack.
We should do this again sometime.
Definitely. Maybe next week.
I'd like that.
Let's head back to our rooms.
Sounds good. I'm ready to rest.
Me too. That was a filling dinner.
Agreed. Good night, Molly.
Good night, Jack.